back to another episode of Shade TV. My name is Marissa Hill. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, be sure to leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to hit that join button if you want to become a Shade member, as well as check out our merch store. We've got some amazing merch on that website currently, so be sure to head on over there after this video. And you're probably wondering, what is this video about? It has been a minute. I know I've been so backed up with content, but we are back at it. I am going to be doing a Funko unboxing today. Funko sent me some amazing Funko Pops, and I can't wait for you to see what's in these boxes. So I don't even know. Do we start left? Do we start right? Do we start left, right, left, right? I have no idea. Start here. Some basketball going on in here. I know they're a little crushed. We had a little problem with the delivery service. They were not so kind to our basketball team. Apparently it was UPS or USPS, I'm not sure which, against the Harlem Globetrotters, and they took the heat, the damage. But we've got some Harlem Globetrotters in the house, or at least just one. Definitely excited to open this up and see what it looks like. I grew up watching the Harlem Globetrotters and all their tricks and stuff. Super cool. But, you know, I love what this guy's looking like. We got a Harlem Globetrotter basketball, and he's got the whole classic uniform on. I'm feeling this. I literally was obsessed with the Harlem Globetrotters growing up. Just all the tricks that they would do. I was just like, Mom, I'm gonna be a Harlem Globetrotter one day. I just want to spin the ball on my finger. And I remember attempting to spin it on my finger when I was younger, and my finger was in one of those little braces because I jammed it. My fingers just weren't ready to spin the ball yet, I guess. All right, let's see what else we've got in this box. Another damaged guy, poor Dennis Rodman. I'm obsessed. So we've got Dennis Rodman from the Bulls. Let's open him up, check him out, see what he looks like here. All right, so it's the colorful hair that we're used to seeing. Dennis Rodman would not be the same without it. With his Bulls jersey, he was a defensive maniac during his time. I was obsessed watching Dennis Rodman play when he was on the Bulls, and also just watching the fun drama around him. It was always entertaining to see him on the news constantly. Oh, and next up we've got Shaquille O'Neal. Man, are we making a dream team right now? In his Magic jersey. So I actually have this basketball card, and I actually have his jersey as well. But this was one of my first basketball cards I had, was when he was playing with the Orlando Magic. Oh my gosh, look how cool that is. Look at the little star details on here. Actually is shimmering. Nice little silvery colorway here. Looks like he's gonna need a stand though, because he's gonna fall if I don't put him in his little peg here. Oh, you're so cute, Shaq. I actually met Shaq, and no joke, in the restaurant we were doing a jump off, and to see who could jump higher. Obviously I wasn't gonna win, but he definitely was up to the task there. So we finally got Shaq in his stand. He wasn't wanting to stand, he wanted to go in for a dunk right now, and I was just like, you're not ready, Shaq. You've been retired for quite some time now. Take it easy. All right, next up we've got LeBron James. You guys have already seen actually my LeBron James Funko Pop that I've showed you for the new Space Jam, but we actually have him in his Lakers gear. All right, this is starting to be quite the lineup of a team we've got going on. Might have to have these play basketball with the other Funko Pops that we bring out here in a second. And then who do we have here? Oh my gosh, it is the great Larry Bird on the Celtics. Definitely another one of my go-to basketball cards that I collected when I was younger. I just remember loving seeing Larry Bird in the Converse commercial as well. He cracked me up, but This is a great all-star team we've got going on here. Look at this team lineup right now. It's insane. All right. Maybe we better line them up on the sidelines for the other Funkos to see which team will win in a game of basketball. Or maybe it won't even be fair, actually, this lineup. Might have to switch these guys up. Put them each on different teams to make it equal. All right, so now let us see what else we've got in this box. Ooh, Boyz II Men. Oh, come on, you know the harmony that these boys did. Boyz II Men, ABC, BBD. Boyz II Men, back again. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na. Do you like me harmonizing with myself? We got the whole crew here, almost. They started out as 5, and then they were 4, and now they're actually 3. Oh, and he's got flowers. Man, Boyz II Men always had the swag. You think they're gonna give? I think. Who are you gonna give the flowers to? Which one of these basketball players? I'm not so sure who will win in what war, the singing competition or the basketball competition. Who will it be? All right, let's see who we've got next. Gotta complete the trio because obviously we know the harmony with these guys. Ooh, look at the detail on those glasses. Again, the roses. They always had the ladies going, man. It was always like an apology in these songs they were trying to make up. I'll make love to you like you want me to. You remember that song? That's right. These songs just had the ladies going. And then the last of the mix, we've got Sean Stockman here. So we got Nathan Morris, Elena Morris, and then Sean Stock. And then coming out here. Oh, hey, Sean, what's up? Look at that. I don't know who's cuter. Boyz II Men or my basketball team lineup I've got here. I feel like we need to add Mariah Carey to the mix with these guys. All right, we got one last Funko Pop that Funko sent over to us, so let's see who it is. Oh, look at that. It's Harley Quinn from the new Suicide Squad. I actually have not seen this movie yet. I've been so busy, but don't tell me what happens. I'm so happy to have Harley, though. One of my favorite characters in the Suicide Squad. So, wow, look at her. Looking all badass. That's right. Where are you going, Harley? Got the goggles on, weapons in hand. She is ready to kick some butt. I don't know. This is an interesting lineup. If they were going against each other, whose money would you have on the left team or the right team? All right, you know what, Dennis? You're going to just have to split here and just switch from team to team. Because we are odd man out here. But I'm loving all of these new pops I've added to my Funko Pop collection. So thank you so much, Funko, for sending these Funko Pops over to me. I'm obsessed with all of them, and I can't wait to continue doing unboxings for all of you. All right, that's it for this unboxing and review. Again, if you're new to the channel today, be sure to hit that subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. Leave any comments or questions you may have down below. Hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button and that merch store. All right, until next time, this is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We will catch you all in the next one.